Okay, this is the Federal 500. I recently purchased this on eBay a few days ago. It was fast shipping, so bulky lock. Here's a key for it. There's a key number for it. It's a Schlage SC1 keyway. The lock works perfect. Ball bearing shackle, hardened. So let's get to picking. So instead of picking, I think I'm going to try to rake it open. So just try the snake rake. See if we can get into it pretty fast. Don't feel like it has security pins. I'm not getting jammed up on anything. We're gonna rake him open here. See if he'll come open for us. Maybe not. Reset. I want to use a different tension wrench besides that one. Let's see here. Let's try one of these. Bomb. Nope. Let's see here. Let's try the fat one. One of my favorite tension wrenches. You can see this. It's round. Stick on the bottom of the keyway. And let's see. Let's go with a. We'll try a city rate. I don't use these much, but use this one here. Let's see if this will. 18 thousandths CD rate. See if we can get lucky. I don't think we're going to get lucky with it. Nope. So let's try this one here. City rate. I release tension and start over. And hey, we're open. So no security pins in it. Let's lock it back. Let's try to see if we can get him. So takes a Phillips screw. Okay, so got this little brass piece on top of the lock cylinder, little actuator on the back of it. Looks like I'm gonna the cylinder's gonna give me some problems. See if we can get it off this way. Well, I always have problems with the clips. Okay, there we go. Got the C-clip off of it. Now, looks like I may need a shim. Let me grab a shim. also need a plug follower. I should have been prepared for this. Okay, we're going to put a slide of shim in the back of it. I know those pins will go everywhere. So we're going to use a brass follower. As we got a key, we'll use this key. Now, let's not try to make a mess. And I dropped one, so it's not too bad. Well, there's two there, so let me grab my. Now, standard pin. Here's a standard. Okay. Standard. We'll just dump them out here. Looks like they're all standard. Nothing amazing about it. Yeah, just lost one of the first pins. There it is. The key pin. That's pin 1 looks like, so there's pin 2. Pin 3. Or key pin. It's early in the morning, I'm not thinking right this morning. So nothing major here, it's just so this is the 5 pin. It's a Federal 500. So probably change this core. I'm going to put. I first got this. This come from Wayne Witten, Tri-County Locksmith. I got this years ago, and he had sent it to me. Sent me this key. I had picked it open maybe once or twice, and it was pretty bad. I've not been, but it's a the Schlage keyway. You can see that. It's got the little mountain on it. That's the Schlage Everest or the it's Schlage Everest. I get the Primus and the Everest mixed up, but this keyway is going into the Federal 500 to make it a more secure lock. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos.